So continuing on with our topic, let's review again. So as you can see here, the characteristic table. So the characteristic table of our latch, SR latch will be, what will that be? So we have here the Q, we have the SR, and then we have the Qn plus 1. So if you have 0, 0, 0, so 0, 0, 0, and 1, 1, 1, 1. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. What will be the next state? So if you have 0, 0, no change, so this will be 0. If you have 0, 1, whatever your current content, it will be set. So 1, 0, whatever your current content will be set. And if you have 1, 1, that is unknown or indeterminate. Okay, or indeterminate or unknown. So in this case, you have 0, 0, so no change, that will be 1. So 0, 1 will be reset, 1, 0 will set, and 1, 1 will be indeterminate. So this will be our basis 2. So this is our output. Okay, so let's find the circuit based from here. So Qn plus 1, using the K map, we have here Q and the SR. So since we have only 1, we have 2 here. So we have 0, 1, and 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So 0, 0, so 0, 0, 1, X, okay, and 1, 0, 1, X. So 1, 0, 1, X, correct? So 1, 1, 1 is X. So in this case, how many groups do we have? So we have this group, so that is group number 1, and then also we have this group, okay, for group number 2. So which means what will be our equation? So Qn plus 1 is equal to, for group 1, so Q is cancelled. What is remained? That is, so R is from 1 to 0. So what is consistent? That is S. That's the first group. So plus, we have this and this one. So it remains consistent, which is Qn, or Q input, Q present state. So it's Qn. And what will be the value of S and R? So what is consistent? The consistent is the R, because S changes from 0 to 1. So we have R bar. Okay. So what about the value for the S and the circuit for the R? So in this case, we will be considering the excitation table. So excitation table, what do we have in the excitation table? So you have Qn, and then Qn plus 1. So we have here value S and R. So we have from 0 present to the next state 0. So from 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So if we have 0, 0, SR is what? So from 0, 0, okay, so as you can see, S remains 0, don't care is R. If we have 0, 1, so 0, 1, so we have here 0, 1, so that the SR will be 1, 0. If you have 1 and 0, so our SR is 0, 1. If you have 1, 1, so from 1 to 1, and another one, 1, that is 1 to 1. What is consistent? Consistent is R, S is don't care. So we have don't care. And what is the value of our R? The value of R is 0. Okay, so which means we have an equation that is S. So using K map, so we have S, Q, Qn plus 1. So which gives us 2 by 2, 0, 1, 0, 1. So S is 0, 1, 0, X. So this is our group, which means we have a value that is S is equal to Qn plus 1. Correct? Because Qn is eliminated. If we have R, so that means we have Qn plus 1, which means it gives us the circuit 0, 1, 0, 1. So X is X0, 1, 0. So this is our group, which means that is what? Consistent is, so this is eliminated, Qs is eliminated, therefore we have Qn plus 1 complement, which is true, right? That is the complement. Okay, so now let's proceed now this time with the deep flip-flop. So to review our characteristic table for the deep flip-flop, so characteristic table, so we have here a given input with the D, so Qn, so we have Qn plus 1. So if our Q is 0, okay, and D is equal to 0, what will be our input? So that will still be the value of 0. So that means whatever your input, okay, so if you have here 1 and this is 0, what will be the output? So this is still equal to 1. So in this case, we have here, so 1, 0, and 1, 1. So if you have 1 that is, so 0, still that is 0. If that is 1, that is still 1. Okay, so in that case, what will be the circuit for Qn plus 1? So Qn plus 1 still, so that is Qn, and then we have the D, so 0, 1, 0, 1. So Qn plus 1 is 0, 1, 0, 1. So we have this given in the value, so Qn plus 1 is equal to whatever the value of D, which is true, right? Whatever the value of D, that is the next state. Okay, so for the excitation table, so we have the excitation table. If we have Qn and then Qn plus 1, what will be the output D? So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So if you have 0 to 0, okay, so if you have here 0, okay, what will be the value? So we have here still, so from 0 to 0, the value of D is 0. If you have 0 to 1, okay, 0 to 1, the value of D is equal to 1. If you have 1, 1 to 0, the value of your D is, the value of your D is 0. If you have 1, 1, you have 1 going to 1, the value of that is 1. Okay, so which means whatever your D input, that will be your next state. Okay, so do I have to write the circuit for this, or the equation for this? No need. So in this case, it shows the different clock response in latch and flip-flop. So as you can see, like what I've said, whenever you're enabled, so in latch, okay, you have here the enable. But if this is removed and connected to your clock, this becomes the flip-flop. So flip-flop are triggered in a positive or negative edge. So this is for the flip-flop, and this is for the latch. Okay, so level triggered, or level triggered clock. So next we have the JK flip-flop. So JK flip-flop, what does it do? So as we all know that the SR, so if you use SR, it gives us a, so if you have an input of 1, 1, indeterminate. Okay, so that's a disadvantage. If we use the D flip-flop, it only has two combinations, two possible values. So either 0 or 1. So you have only one input. Okay, so you only have here one input, which is the D gate. So why not use the SR because it has more inputs, however, eliminate the indeterminate. So that is where the JK flip-flop comes in. So in JK flip-flop, so it is being implemented using the, actually it is being implemented using the SR. So let's go back here. So let's go back here. Okay, so in this case, as you can see, this is the form of your, so JK flip-flop. Okay, so JK flip-flop is implemented using the AND gate. So this will serve as your J, and this will serve as your K. Okay, however, in this case, to eliminate this indeterminate, so this particular input, okay, is also AND here. And this given input is also AND in the kit. Okay, so this given circuit eliminate that one is determinate. So this means it toggles the content.